Hello everyone, welcome to the Byju's exam prep. So here I am again to give you the information about the MTech admission in the IIT Bhubaneswar. So IIT Bhubaneswar, you can search in the Google like IIT Bhubaneswar MTech program. Then you will come to in this particular website. Okay, so that is main website for the MTech program admission of IIT Bhubaneswar. So, what are the different specialization we have in the IIT Bhubaneswar? So, first of all, you should know the specialization. If you are from EC, EE, or instrumentation or CS, then we have the branches like signal processing and communication engineering, power system engineering, computer science and engineering, power electronics and drives, integrated circuit and VLSI. So, these are the four branches where the EEC, IN, and CS students can apply. First, and second thing is that you should have the valid scorecard for sure. And starting date of online application was 17th of March, and last date for online application is 17th of April. So you have next 18 days to fill this particular admission form if you have a valid gate scorecard, and if you think that you will be able to get the admission in the MTech program in the IIT Bhubaneswar according to the cutoff marks of the previous year, then you can apply here. And not only according to the cutoff mark of the previous year, because more or less sometimes there will be a difference in the admission in every year because sometimes the paper gets tough, so the cutoff is high. So according to that, score is also high. So that is how you have to manage. So the plus minus 50 score you can take as a reference. So the program details, as I told you about the program details. So if you are from the EC or EE, then signal processing branch. So the program focus on the teaching and research to provide the students state of art inside the major area of electronics, communication, signal processing, semiconductor devices, NX and communication like that. So we have these are the main signal processing, communication, power system, power drive, etc. Okay, integrated VLSI also. So these all are the branches where you can apply if you are from EEC and CS. And we have the different branch and how many seats are there in the particular MTech program. So signal processing is having 24 seats, power system 22, computer science 23, power electronics and drives 23, integrated circuit and VLSI 22. So these are the number of seats, and the essential qualification is BTech in the with the 60% marks and the CGPA 6.5 in your BTech, and it can be having the branch electrical, electronics and communication, and the combination of computer science and IT also. Okay. And if I talk about the fees, so the fees you can see here, the fees and what is the shortlisting criteria? The shortlisting of the regular candidate for the admission into the MTech program will be based on GATE score only. The fixing of the cutoff score for the candidates in different categories shall be as per the norms. Selection on the regular basis is percentage based on 70% of for the GATE score and 30% on the performance or written test or interview. If suppose they call you for the interview and written test, then they only 30% weightage will be there. So if you have a GATE score, a good GATE score, then there is a high chance of getting admission into this particular IIT. The final selection of the regular candidates will be solely based on the combined score of the 70% GATE and 30% weightage of the written test and interview. The written test and interview shall be given equal weightage of 15% each. So suppose if there is a written test followed by interview, then 15% to the each of exam. Like written test is also having 15%, interview also have 15%. So a candidate in the unreserved category will be eligible for the final selection subject to a score a minimum of 50% marks of the maximum in the interview. That means whatever will be the weightage, at least 7.5% you have to bring in the interview also. Okay, and 40% in the written test. So we can say that there is a overall weightage of every category, and it is essential that you have to qualify in all the three sections. If you are having the written test, then 50% marks in the interview and 40% marks in the written test. Okay, so sponsor candidates can also apply with the final assistantship, and the fees is only 300 rupees. And according to the number of branches you are applying, you can apply for the number of applications you have to apply, and you have to pay the fees separately. And if you have already registered, so first of all you have to register in this particular portal. This is the link for the registration, and log in and fill the form. This is the sample application form. If you will click, you will see the sample application form also. Okay, so this is it for the IIT Bhubaneswar. So we will come with the another admission procedure of MTech in the different IITs. Thank you.